Are you looking to create your own NFT marketplace but don't know where to start? Introducing Gonfty, the game-changing NFT marketplace template. With Gonfty, you can revolutionize the NFT marketplace by providing seamless templates for artists and creators to showcase and sell their digital assets. Gonfty offers a wide range of customizable templates, specifically designed to meet the needs of both experienced artists and beginners in the NFT space. Our intuitive interface allows you to easily upload and showcase your unique NFTs, attract potential buyers, and make your mark in the digital art world. Why spend countless hours and resources developing your own marketplace from scratch when you can leverage Gonfty's ready-to-use templates? Whether you're an artist, musician, or content creator, Gonfty makes it easy for you to monetize your talent. But that's not all. Gonfty also offers robust features like secure payment gateways, smart contracts, and a user-friendly dashboard to help you manage your NFTs effectively. With Gonfty, you can track sales, connect with your buyers, and gain valuable insights into your artwork's performance. Get started today and join the NFT revolution with Gonfty, the ultimate NFT marketplace template. Unlock your creative potential, reach a global audience, and turn your art into valuable digital assets. Visit our website now and transform your passion into profit. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and tutorials on how to thrive in the NFT marketplace.